Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Saturday the 16th. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We got a heat wave coming out here by us. And now we have a special unboxing to do. TryTreats.com. Link is going to be down below. Explore the world. Every month, get some new exciting treats to try. Some new munchies. Take a look inside this goodie box. Let's see what we have. And you guys can sign up. I believe this is the premium box. But they got other ones to fit your budget. In case you want to try somewhere like Australia, Asia, and a few other great countries. Here we go. We got some goodies. Bada boom. Whoa. Coming all the way from Pakistan. Sweet. All from Pakistan. South Asia. Oh, thank you guys. And we got, oh boy, chicken kara. Come on. Pakistan facts. Cool. And then now, mystery box giveaway. Whoa, snow cones. Some kind of gummy. And got a little friendly penguin on it. Got some sugar on it. Alrighty. Sour Yums, Fruit Chew, Candyland. From Pakistan. So there's the flavors. That might be interesting. Oh boy. We got the hot stuff. Mailday, Malasa. Whoa. Salt and pepper snackers. These might be good ones. But I haven't eaten lunch yet, so I'm going to save them for later. Oh, what are these? Slanty. Potato chips. They kind of look like for spaghetti. Slanty. Made by Colson. Potato. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh, there's the other flavors. Ketchup, jalapeno, vegetable. Like noodles. There we go. Noodles, they look like. Huh. Pretty cool. And now we have. Whoa, it's like a wafer. Cream biscuits, strawberry, vanilla, guy on his trumpet. It's like a nice sized brick. Yeah, save these for later for sure. But plus I don't like eating on camera either. Oh, we got some chili potato sticks. Nice, spicy. Oh boy. These might be good. These will be definitely later on. And a lot of potato chips. Look at this. I don't mind potato chips at all though. Roasted snacks. Pepper and salt, salt and pepper. These will be good for sure. And, oh, cheese balls. Malsa cheese flavored. Pop it in. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. These are really cool. I definitely like this idea. YouTubers, check them out. And we got something special right here. Wheat flour. It's like biscuit. EBM. Here we go. Sorry about that. Spinneroonie. Whoa. Pakistan. And they look like kind of like cookie biscuits. Two for $1.49. Bam. That seems a deal for me. So you guys can get one, set up your package. And like I said, many other countries you could choose the snacks from. And they'll have it shipped to you in no time. Check them out. My link is be down below. I do believe you can save some money on it. Definitely check them out though. Awesome stuff. Trytreats.com. YouTubers, be safe. That's it for today. Hopefully see you guys back for Sunday, Father's Day, but you never know. Other than that, have a good weekend and see ya.